Did I buy this Brightin Star 10mm lens because of its well-known name? No. Did I buy this f5.6 Pro super wide lens because it's made by the Shenzhen Yin Yao Technology Company Limited in China? No. I bought it because it was $99. Let's go.
Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it out. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living ain't never gonna give it.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Carmine from New York here, photographer since the 70s. All right, this is photo class 655. First, hit the subscribe button. Second, thumbs up, please. Third, comment below. Tell me what country you're in. And fourth, become a member of this channel. It's 99 cents and there's a link in the description. Okay.
Double shot for the gifted, one more for us. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
Now, you've seen just a few photographs of the output of this lens. It is peculiar. It does have these two semi lens hoods. I did purchase this. This is not a collaboration. I did pick the silver edition because it looks pretty cool on the APS-C size digital camera Nikon Z50. Now, I have to tell you something about this lens. I love it. Why? Because the pictures look awesome. Here's a few more.
This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
Now, I'm going to show you a video also taken with this lens on the Nikon Z50. So, the one thing you have to know is when you hold your camera like this, you see my knuckles right here where they belong? This lens will pick that up. That's how wide this 10mm lens is.
Don't look at the past. No, we're not going that way. Oh, now make it last.
Where did I take the photographs you're looking at? At the Staten Island Ferry, which is a free service. It connects Manhattan to Staten Island.
Make it last to the break of day. No matter what people say, live life in a fast lane. Double shot for the gifted, triple shot for the pain. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup.
The trip is 5.2 miles and it's a 25-minute trip. It's one of the free things you'll get in the city of New York. 17 million passengers took that ferry to work, to play, to hang out, to sightsee in 2025. So, I did buy this lens, which comes in an beautiful navy blue box, by the way. I bought it on Amazon, $99. And like I mentioned before, this is not a collaboration. I paid for it.
Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
Comes in different mounts: EFM, RF, X, Micro Four Thirds, Z, and E mounts. This is the Z mount edition. It comes in silver or black. I love the silver edition. It's all metal, by the way. It is a prime lens, which means it's not a zoom. Now, the aperture ring is beautiful. It's right here where it belongs.
This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
Have absolute stops for each f-stop. To focus, you use this rangefinder type lever, right? It goes from here to here. That's the full range. You have from 0.2 meters to infinity. Okay, how did I shoot this lens? I kept it on infinity, f8, and all my pictures came absolutely perfect. Here's a few more.
Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
Color is perfect. It's very sharp, and I love the contrast this lens produces. It's only 0.8 of an inch in height. It's a true pancake lens. The design of this lens gets an absolute 10 out of 10 stars. How many elements are in this lens? Believe it or not, this little lens has 6 elements. By the way, this lens comes with a gorgeous lens cap. It's well made, it's engraved, it's all metal, and guess what? It won't stay on. How about that?